Dear colleagues, in this video I want to show you how to download and install a powerful tool for comprehensive FEM analysis, LIRA-FEM 2025. At first, you need to go to the official web page liraland.com, then click on the Products tab and choose LIRA-FEM, then click on Distribution Kit. Now you are on the download page. You need to find the LIRA-FEM 2025. To get access to this file, please log in to the website at the top of this page. If you are there for the first time, please register before the login. Now you can see that the download button is available. Click it and the download will start. After the download is complete, launch Setup LIRA-FEM 2025. Choose your language. Please pay your attention to the license agreement. On this step, you can choose additional features depending on the CAD software which you use. You can choose folders for input and output data or leave their location as default. If you previously choose some additional features, but this software is absent on your PC, just press Cancel. After installation, you can find two shortcuts, LIRA-FEM and LIRA-CAD.